How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can create a map legend in QGIS. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the print layout. You can do this by clicking on this specific button at the top of our screen. You could also press Ctrl P on your keyboard. Of course, you can name your print layout to whatever you want to, but right after, we then want to import or add our map. Now to add your own legend, you want to click on the Add Item option, and here we have Add Legend option. So just simply click on it, click on where you want to add your legend, and then from here, basically you have the ability to edit out the width, the height, the position, and size of the legend itself. And then we also have some reference points right here. In my case, I'm just going to click on OK. And then right after, we now have the ability to edit out or to add the legends of our map. Basically, it will automatically import all of your data onto this specific path right here. So you could just make sure to arrange them on your print, or I mean on the map itself, and basically from there you are good to go. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.